Okay, so this is a test to see if the screen will be freezing. Now I have to talk really loud, I guess, because my microphone is over there now. And I'm also going to record on this one, but I have to start it first. Okay, so the screen is recording now. Here it says all is good.
Take off.
Just going away from here as quickly as possible. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of flying until I can see that the screen is freezing. Okay. You can see pigeons in front of my camera. They're like, what is it? It's a drone. And transmission signal weak. Come on, I'm not that far. You're out there. Oh, there's a tree in between. What? Yeah, there's a tree in between. Okay, so I have to... Where am I? This is not possible. I can totally see this. This is the big tree. That's over there. That's this house. Yeah. The question is it over there or is it over here? What's my house? Oh, my house is over there. Oh yeah, it is. So that's my house. This one. Well, maybe what I can do is go out here into this direction. And now the signal is alright. Unfortunately, I cannot go too low, otherwise I will lose the signal. And now I will make a turn because I don't want to get too close to the houses. Let's have a look what's out there. Into this direction I have a very good connection. Maybe go a little bit higher because I'm already like 900 meters away. And I can still sit in my chair. It feels like there's a fly on my head. Transmission signal weak. Look at the village. I think this is a pretty nice view actually. Maybe put the camera down a little bit. It's nice. So my house is right in the middle. There's a building plot and the ocean is like over there. But it's like there is a ridge of hill, a bump, so you cannot really see the ocean from not even from here with the drone. Swimming pool out there. Transmission signal getting weaker like this. But to be true, even up till now the screen is not freezing, so this is going pretty well actually. So there's a high hill in front of me, but I think there's another one. No, it is this one. This is the one where the monastery is, on top of that hill. So this is the monastery, guys. Yes. It's the largest point in the area. No signal. Going up. I can hear it. And then on the left, just to have a look, there's not so high hills on this side. This is really the highest one. And there I am, close to my village. Well, I just keep flying because I want to use all the battery. I'm gonna fly past these houses into this direction to see what's out here. I want to use all the battery because I want to make sure that it does not freeze anywhere during my flight time. But I have to say, so far it looks good. Again, this is the village. A view on the village. I'm not above houses. If you've seen where I've been flying, I'm just filming these houses from a distance. If you want to be sure, I will do this. Okay, so this is just bare land. I'm not flying above houses. Not that is like a big problem for me or for the drone. But there are some whiners out there who think you cannot do that safely, because what if the drone drops out of the air on a mother with her children? You could kill them. Well, you know, this never happened. Nobody ever got killed by a drone, so just... Oh, wait a minute. Now, it says 150 meters, but I'm on top of a hill, so it's not really 150 meters. not 150 meters above the landscape. But I'm going back because I'm losing signal here. So in this area the signal gets bad, but when I'm flying more into this direction, you can see that it's good. So it's probably there are some houses with Wi-Fi on the same frequency, and that's disturbing my signal. So I think I should avoid that area as much as possible, because as you can see here, it's just very good. I'm flying so low that the transmission signal gets weaker, but it's just nice to fly low. Look, and film all this. Okay, if it gets too bad like this, I should go up. And the thing is, you lose video before you lose control. So you're still in control of the drone. Oh, and I also get into the direction of that forbidden area. So you're still in control of the drone, but you just don't receive the video signal. And that means you should just continue doing what you're doing and going up, and you will get the signal back. Okay, I'm going back. Let me see if I can get my location right. Now I am confused about the sticks because I changed them, but as you can see, this is the terrace. So well, the screen did not freeze, so test was successful. It means I can safely use the screen recorder again. I'm very happy about that, and it looks like DJI solved this problem. As it is right now, it's just perfect. This is how I would want it to be, and I hope it's gonna stay like that. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. If only it would be always like this.